Hi everyone, if you have just purchased a Canva template and you're not familiar with Canva itself, then this quick demo is for you. So I'm really quickly just going to be showing you today what to expect when you first open your template and how you should set it up, particularly with for professional print purposes in mind, before you even start editing the file. So this is just a quick demo to show you those few things. So as you can see, this template in particular is a leaflet design, so therefore it's going to be intended for print purposes. What you're going to want to do is go to the file menu up here on the top left hand side, and you're presented with various options, and here you're going to want to turn on show print bleed, show margins and show rulers and guides. So we're just going to turn all of them on now, and you'll see what each one does as I click them. So show print bleed, because it's for print purposes, we'll start with this one. As you can see now, the little perforated line has appeared along the outside edge of this document. So this is actually the trim area, this bit that extends out towards, from this line, perforated line, to the outside of the file now, the design, is actually the area that will be cut away during printing purposes. So it's really important to remember that any of your focused items that need to be seen and read on the actual printed document must not go outside this area, and better yet, they need to be double the size again from the trim area in to ensure that they get printed. So basically we'll turn on file margins as well, show margins. And now you can see again there's another perforated line now appearing. You could treat this as your safe zone. So ideally you would like to ensure that the text that you do want is either on that line or centralised to it, and then everything else is within. So that's important to remember. And then that's just to ensure that it's, you know, safely away from the trim area for when it goes to print. And then the other thing we're going to do is turn on rulers and guides. And now you can see there's rulers here on the top and the left hand side, which indicates the page size and width. So you can see this is 210 here, that's A4 width, but this is 148 here, down the width here of the depth, so that's A5 size altogether. So that just gives you an indication for size. And then in terms of guides, if you were to click an object on the page, so this text box, and you start moving it around, you want it to be centralised, but if you don't have the guides turned on, it won't be easy to do that. So the guides basically help you align everything. So when I start moving the item, I'm just holding down the left key of the mouse. It basically shows you the alignment of the text to everything else on the page. So, and again the spacing as well with these numbers appearing. So basically I want it to be centralised, and I want it to be equally spaced between everything to give it that kind of professional consistency. And I'm just going to let go of it there. It's centralised to the text, there you go. And that's basically your document set up and ready to use for print purposes. And then even though Canva automatically saves the document as you go, for good practice I would always say save your file anyway before you exit, just to get into good practice, and just in case Canva hasn't done an automatic save when you think it has. And then in the next short I'm going to be showing you how to find your file again after you've set it up for print purposes and you want to start working on it. Maybe you've already started working on it and you want to relocate it. So the next file, the next demo will be showing you how to do that, and then how to start editing. So give us a follow or subscribe, and be sure to catch that one too.